like this.
Oh no!
Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to talk about the viruses and bacteria. Sometimes you feel sick, you have been suffering from fever, cough. That means your body is being hijacked. You are no longer in control. That times you confuse what's attacking you. Yeah, it's really confusing. It may be the virus or bacteria. That single question can help you to recover faster. So let's talk about the differences between virus and bacteria. Actually, the viruses and bacteria are similar sometimes. That means they both are microscopic animal. You can't see those animal with your naked eyes. You need microscope. That's why they are called microscopic animal. Okay, though they are microscopic, but they are different in their size. That means the bacteria are more larger than the viruses. Sometimes the bacteria are 200 times larger than the viruses. So you can observe the bacteria under light microscope, but you can't see the viruses under light microscope. You need more zooming lens. You need electron microscope to observe the viruses. This is the size difference between viruses and bacteria. The second most important thing is the bacteria is considered as a living organism because it shows all the characteristics that a living organism shows. It can replicate their own. They do not need any host to replicate. From one bacterial cell it makes two. You can see here by the process of binary fission, and from 2 to 4, 4 to 8 the process go on and they produce huge number of bacterial cells. That's how the bacteria reproduce. On the other hand, the viruses are not actually living. It's interesting that the scientists classify them as something between living and non-living. It's an interesting place to be. The viruses can live anywhere, but it need host to replicate. That's an important thing, that viruses need host to replicate, but bacteria do not need any host. The viruses can live into door handles, in your hands, in dresses. When you shake hand to a person, it can pass to that person. So once it passes from one person to another, it should get into the cell to replicate, to make more of them. In case of viruses, the replication process is something different. It's not like bacteria, it's something different. So when it's entering into the body, what it's going to do is, say for example, this is your cell and this is the virus. When it's entering into the cell, into the body, it will come and attach on the surface of this cell like this.
Oh no!
Okay, so this is your cell and this is the virus. So it's going to do is it's come and attach on the surface of the cell with the help of some receptors which is present on the surface of the cell. Okay, here, say for example, then it will attach and it release its genetic material, the virus genetic material, into the cell. Then the cell will be hijacked. Okay, then the cell will do everything according to the virus. It will replicate the virus DNA or RNA in place of its own RNA. Then the virus makes its 2, 3 or many copies of it. Then it will come out of the cell, then go to another cell and infect other cells like this. Okay, so that's how the virus replicate and increase its number. Okay, in case of uses, bacteria sometimes beneficial and sometimes they are harmful. Beneficial in case of it helps to digest some foods and help to convert the milk into curd and to make the alcohols. Okay, there are many beneficial effect of bacteria. And harmful effect is many bacterial infections are there which is harmful. Okay, on the other hand, the viruses are usually harmful, only used in case of genetic engineering. In case of bacterial infection, it's stay a longer time as compared to the viral infection. Okay, the bacterial infections are pneumonia, gastric, food poisoning, and there are more in bacterial infections are there. And viral infections are cold fever, chicken pox, AIDS, and nowadays COVID-19, which is a most important viral infections. Thank you guys, thanks for watching my video. If you want to see more video, then do subscribe my channel. If you like my video, do like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Stay at home, stay safe.